So welcome to the final newsletter for Approachable Lawyer for 2010. The sun has just come out in Auckland ready for Christmas, but if you've been reading the news you'll know that London is completely covered in snow, and that's where I'll be going this evening as I board a plane, or maybe not, depending upon how things work out. And that made me think, there's a dilemma at the moment I've got. Do I get on that plane and risk possibly getting stranded in Hong Kong, or do I not get on that plane at all and get a refund from Air New Zealand? All of a sudden, things like travel insurance and the terms and conditions of my airline ticket are really relevant to me as I have to make that very, very important decision later on today. And it made me think that it's exactly the same in our businesses. You see, when things are going well in our businesses, we could probably get away with not having agreements or documentation at all. But it's when things go wrong or don't quite work out as we expect them to, that agreements really come to the fore. And we're all coming out of recession. It's been a long, hard year, and we're probably thinking, oh, maybe 2011 is a time to grow our businesses. But if you're going to grow your business, what we'd really encourage you to do here at Approachable Lawyer is do so in a sustained way by making sure that your businesses are watertight. And that means that if you're going to take on new staff, you're going to get a new business partner, you're going to launch a new product or anything like that, you do get proper systems and documentation and agreements in place before you do that, just in case things don't work out the way that you intended to. And in order to encourage you to do that, we've got a special on for the month of January 2011. If you want to join our Approachable Lawyer legal hotline, if you join up during the month of January, we're going to waive the application fee. So if you want to find out a little bit more about how the legal hotline works, then click on one of the links in the newsletter or in the box below so you can find out how it works, and we'd really, really encourage you to sign up. So when you get into 2011, you can do so in the knowledge that your business is going to be watertight. Another article we've got for you this month is some changes to New Zealand employment law. Last month, the national government started tinkering with the Employment Relations Act and the Holidays Act, and those changes are going to come into force on the 1st of April 2011. So we put a little summary together for you just so you're ahead of the game when it comes to the new year. And of course it is Christmas, so we have to give you something free, and in this month's newsletter we've got a free download which is an ebook called Tips from the Trenches. Now, Tips from the Trenches is an ebook with about 170 pages of articles, the most popularly read articles on our friend's website, newzealandbusinessblogs.co.nz. So if you're a subscriber to that site, or if you've never come across that site, here's an opportunity to refresh yourselves on some of the articles that most people hit on over the course of 2010, and hopefully that will give you the inside running when you come to 2011, and maybe it's something you can read on the beach while you're enjoying the sunshine here in New Zealand. As for me, of course, I will hopefully be enjoying the snow in London if I can actually get on that plane this morning. So all I can do now is just wish you a really happy and festive Christmas and New Year holiday. Please keep your fingers and legs crossed, or anything you can get crossed, to wish me well, and make sure that I get on that plane this evening and get to spend Christmas with my family in London, and hopefully on Christmas Day I'll be building a snowman. I'm back on deck on the 10th of January, so if you need to contact me in January, that's when you can contact me by mobile phone or the office line. Prior to that, then just drop me an email. I will be checking them periodically, but there may be a little bit of a delay in reply depending on whether I'm here in New Zealand, hopefully not, or I'm in snow-clad London. So thanks a lot for sticking with us for 2010, and I really look forward to some more newsletters and delivering those to you in 2011. Have an absolutely fantastic Christmas. That's Michael Smythe, Approachable Lawyer, signing off for 2010. Thank you.